New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.
Let us begin the quiz. Get set go. Guess the animal. Whose milk is most expensive? Options are A. Sheep, B. Camel, C. Donkey. Correct answer is donkey. Guess the animal. Which can see with its ears? Options are A. Cat, B. Hare, C. Bat. Correct answer is bat. Guess the animal. Which is called the king of birds? Options are A. Dove, B. Eagle, C. Swan. Correct answer is eagle. Guess the animal. Which never wakes up after sleeping once? Options are A. Snake, B. Ant, C. Frog. Correct answer is ant. Guess the bird whose eggs are costliest. Options are A. Pigeon, B. Parrot, C. Ostrich. Correct answer is ostrich. Guess the animal. Which cannot see during day? Options are A. Owl, B. Pigeon, C. Duck. Correct answer is owl. Guess the animal. Which can live over 100 years? Options are A. Elephant, B. Tortoise, C. Rhinoceros. Correct answer is tortoise. Guess the animal. Which never drink water? Options are A. Camel, B. Squirrel, C. Kangaroo rat. Correct answer is kangaroo rat. Guess the animal. Which drink water through nose? Options are A. Zebra, B. Giraffe, C. Elephant. Correct answer is elephant. Guess the animal. Which has the highest blood pressure? Options are A. Lion, B. Giraffe, C. Zebra. Correct answer is giraffe. Guess the animal which has heart in its head. Options are A. Octopus, B. Jellyfish, C. Shrimp. Correct answer is shrimp. Guess the animal. Which has 32 brain and 300 teeth? Options are A. Leech, B. Snail, C. Crab. Correct answer is leech. Guess the animal. Which is most intelligent? A. Shark, B. Dolphin, C. Monkey. Correct answer is dolphin. Guess the animal. Which can see with eyes closed? Options are A. Camel, B. Horse, C. Bear. Correct answer is camel. Guess the terrestrial animal. Which has the largest eyes? Options are A. Owl, B. Ostrich, C. Penguin. Correct answer is ostrich. Guess the animal. Whose teeth never stop growing? Options are A. Rat, B. Elephant, C. Monkey. Correct answer is rat. Guess the animal. Which marine animal never stop growing? Options are A. Shark, B. Whale, C. Seahorse. Correct answer is shark. Guess the animal. Which can even hunt tiger? Options are A. Vulture, B. Ostrich, C. Falcon. Correct answer is ostrich. Guess the animal. Which is largest in the world? Options are A. Shark, B. Elephant, C. Blue whale. Correct answer is blue whale. Guess the animal which can sense incoming of earthquake or storm. Options are A. Bat, B. Fish, C. Deer. Correct answer is fish.